Shh, make no noise. Don't pick up the phone. What a blast to the past, man. We're going to visit a bulletin board system in 2025. How awesome is that? So there is a Reddit article. Some gentleman recovered from backup a fully fledged bulletin board system in full production. So I'm not going to spoil the story too much. I'm going to link directly to the article so you can read his story. He has lots of pics showing how he managed to recover this, but this is pretty awesome. This was this predates the internet, guys. We would pick up a modem and we would dial in to the bulletin board system directly. No intermediaries, no ESPs, just a carrier, and we would dial into that. These were the sounds we had to endure and wait for the connection to complete. And this was what we got. A very beautiful bulletin board system. And we could do a lot with just a simple and basic system. And this is how we're going to try to show you guys the experience. But I highly recommend you guys to do it yourselves. Go and check it out yourselves, how it is to experiment with the bulletin board system. Through this, I'm going to throw everything to the description down below and go and check it out today. Cool story, cool guy, and cool system. So this predates the internet, but this was kind of everything. Files, it was file sharing, it was a Discord server, sorts. You could chat with people, you could know who's online, download files, and much more. I'm going to show you the basics, but I highly recommend you guys to go there yourselves and experiment yourselves with this, especially if you have never done it. But if you have done it before, you'll get a very happy smile on your face. So I'm going to choose English, okay? And I'm going to log in because I have a sort of an account. I will not share all the details here, so for obvious reasons, okay? So I'm just logging in, so to speak, and I am logged in, okay? So when you first access the site, you log in. If you're watching this in a short form, come join me on the long form for all the details. For the long form peeps, here we go. And this is kind of the entry point. This is kind of the story about this at this point. I'm going to continue. You like to do the bulletin board menu? Yes. So this is kind of what were the news at the time. So you'll get some news of what's new, what's happening, things worth noticing, sports news. Okay, these are all in German. You could download it, check it out offline. I'm going to quit the bulletin board itself, and this is kind of the main menu of the bulletin board. You have file, messages, go back to the bulletin board, play some games, my settings, change conference news, welcome screen, page the system administrator, send some comments to him or her. Who's online? Let's check who's online. Look at that. People are online interacting with this. So that's me from Portugal. And there you have it. People interacting with the system and in different or through different systems, modems. So let's see if I have a game to play. Hangman. It's in German. Shit. Let's try anyways. I don't know. So let's go with A. B. It's German, right? So let's try W. Wrong. Let's try an H. A C. No H's, no C's. In German. Ba. A T. No. Shit. I'm almost dead. Let's try in German. M. Oh, there's an M. Let's try an N. I already tried N, a P, and we are down for. Guys, this was it's still a lot of fun, but put yourselves, I don't know, 30 something years ago, and this actually puts a big smile on my face. So If you never experiment a bulletin board, please, I beg you to do so. Go experiment to see what we had to endure at the time. It's a very cool experience. Go and visit this. Give some kudos to the author. He invested some time and some money into do this. There's much more to explore here, but this video will just get way too big. And go check it out. Check the description below. Send some big kudos to the guy. Experiment with this, because if you never did, you'll be happy that you did. If you did before, it's going to put a very big smile on your face like we see in mine. Like, subscribe, hype, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.